This is what I'm going to be putting the polymeric sand on, all the way out to the steps over there, if you can see them. So stay tuned. I'm going to probably put this on high speed mode, and I'll start off slow for a little bit with a couple of buckets. What I'm using is the Technoseal Easy Sand. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people have good luck with it. I don't know what I'm going to have, but we're going to find out. This is the product in a bucket. So basically you pour a bucket out in a small area, then you broom it in. After the whole area is broomed in, you tamp it. After you tamp it, you put more down and make sure all the cracks are filled up to about a 1/8 inch deep. Then you use a leaf blower and you blow off the residue. That seems to be the number one important thing. And then you wet it down for about 30 seconds. Wait a couple of minutes, wet it down for 30 seconds again.